Anong sinabi ng jowa ko nung niyaya ko siya mag-Bulgogi Brothers?
Kain na tayo.
Hindi. KBBQ. Uy guys, seryoso, tumatawa sila sa jokes. Tumatawa sila sa jokes natin. And guys, kasama ko si Migs TV. Kasama ko din si Kuya Bam, idol ko yan. Ayan, let's get to the point. Si Chris from Brooklyn. Ayan, si Fuda. Kasama din si Afford the Girl Via. At si Glyce Langmucha ng South Cotabato. At andito kami sa Bulgogi Brothers para ikwento ang bago nilang flavors via a live stream. Meron na silang 22 flavors ng meat, including the honey citron, gochujang basil, gochujang truffle, and ang nagustuhan ko, yung kimchi. Both pork and beef ay merong ganitong flavors. So maganda lang kasi sa Bulgogi Brothers is the meat itself. Alam mong top quality at malambot, so kahit anong flavor ang piliin mo, sure na masarap. You can enjoy only Korean side dishes and drinks, may steamed egg na din, and soup na kasama. Of course, may kimchi yan, tsaka cheese dip. Lahat ito is 795 pesos only for the only pork and chicken, then add 200 pesos for the beef selection. Dito pala ito sa Shangri-La Plaza branch nila, and Bulgogi Brothers is another great concept of the Bistro Group. Kaya if na-miss mo na ang KBBQ at gusto mo yung sulit and unforgettable, subukan nyo this week ang Bulgogi Brothers. Fighting!